I'm making a quick and delicious air fryer Nutella toast. This recipe is incredibly simple, requires only a few ingredients, and is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or whenever you're craving something sweet. To start, I prepared 4 slices of toast bread. Next, I spread Nutella on one slice and then on a second slice. After that, I placed the remaining 2 slices on top to create 2 Nutella sandwiches. Now it's time to prepare the coating mixture. In a separate bowl, I cracked 1 egg, then I added a packet of vanilla sugar and mixed everything together until well combined. After that, I poured in enough milk to make a mixture that would be sufficient for dipping both sandwiches. Once everything was added, I gave it a good stir until the mixture was smooth and evenly combined. Before dipping the sandwiches, I cut each one in half. This makes them easier to handle and helps them fit nicely into the air fryer basket. I dipped each sandwich half into the egg and milk mixture, making sure both sides were coated well. Then I arranged all the pieces in a single layer at the bottom of the air fryer basket. Once everything was ready, I cooked them at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. After the first 5 minutes, I carefully flipped each piece over and cooked them for another 5 minutes until they were beautifully golden and crispy on the outside. And that's it! The result is a warm, crispy toast with a delicious melted Nutella center. It's quick, easy, and absolutely perfect when you want a sweet treat without spending much time in the kitchen.